Find the longest common prefix for an array of strings. So here, in this first example, we have flower, flow, and flight. The longest prefix is FL. Yeah, those are the right letters. I think I'm dyslexic. Anyway, in order to do this, let's keep track of, well, let's iterate through our strings. So for string in strings, let's keep track of an output prefix. I guess I can just call it prefix. It's going to be a list, so I can modify it, add things to it. At the end of this, we do want to return that prefix joined back together as a string. So for string in strings, we want to get the first letter from the first string. So letter, actually no, we want to have an outside for loop for I in range, and this should be in the same range as the length of the first string. I think we're guaranteed that there's at least one string. And the reason why I'm using like the length of the first one, no matter what the other strings are, the prefix cannot be longer than the shortest of the strings. So it can't be longer than any of the strings, basically, not just the shortest, but you know what I'm saying. Let's see. What was I talking about? So for I in length, the letter that we're currently at is equal to string 0 I. If I is greater than or equal to the length of the current string, we can just return our current prefix. Otherwise, we need to check to see if the current letter is equal to or not equal to the saved letter. So string I. Yeah, that seems right. Oh, I can also just do this on one line. Let's see. If this is always the case that I is less than the length of the string that we're looking at and the letter is equal, then we can just add to our prefix the current letter. Looks like something we might have to run multiple times. Oh, never mind. I think we're good to go.